Hi guys, today I will explain how to send Bitcoin in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your Trust Wallet application. Once it will be open, before doing anything. The first thing you have to do is you need to add Bitcoin in your Trust Wallet crypto list. Because if you did not add it, then you will not be able to do anything else. So here you can see it's already added. But in order to add, scroll down to the last and tap on the option Manage Crypto. Here in the search bar, you have to write BTC or Bitcoin. Once you will write on the top, you can see Bitcoin. Turn it on. Then it will be added to your list. Now let's go back and scroll up. And here click on the option Bitcoin. Here you will see multiple options of send, receive, swap, buy, and sell, like we want to send. So that's why I will click on this option Send. Here are a few ways by which you can send it. The first thing is you have to enter the address or domain name of that to which you want to send. Here you can also paste that address by tapping on the option Paste, and you can add that in your contact book. And that will be more easy. Like if I click on this option here, I need to add a contact, and for adding that, I need to click on it. And here I need to enter the wallet name of that person. Then I can add that, and it will be more easy because I don't need to write that address again and again. Another way is by scanning QR code. If I click on it, I need to scan a QR code, and then that will be added to my address book. Now let's go back from here. Once you've done this, enter the amount which you want to send. Once you will enter the amount, this option will be enabled, and click on this option, Send, and send it to that person. And it was the way by which you can send Bitcoin from Trust Wallet.